Hello, how are you? You know me, right? I'm Amol Bakshi, a poet, a blogger, a photographer, an advertising professional turned an ad filmmaker, and now the author of 7 Steps to Become a Video Content Strategist. I welcome you all to the Vidvan Lab. Vidvan. In Sanskrit, Vidvan is a knowledgeable person, the one who possesses knowledge, all kinds of knowledge. He's a Vidvan, a wise person. But in modern world, if you see, knowledge is available everywhere. It's up to you how you take it. But that's not enough. That's not enough. You have to spread your knowledge to the world, and there's nothing like video which can do that. So in this group, in this community, we are going to discuss the use of video, effective use of video to take your knowledge to the world, and then only you will become a true Vidvan. So this Vidvan Lab talks about knowledge about videos, video advantage, video vantage. That's Vidvan, video vantage. So thank you for joining this community, and I request you all to add as many members as you can, 10, 15, 20, 50 each, so that we can grow this community and spread the knowledge of videos to as many people as possible. Start doing it. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time.